Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Cinemagraph using Canva. So let's get started. First, create a new design with the format of your choice. Once you are here, you're going to head over to the left hand side of your screen and you're going to click on Uploads. Then you're going to click on Upload Files. Then select the picture that you want to use. Once it's uploaded, just drag it onto the page and adjust it. But this isn't really necessary since we're going to be animating this anyway. After that, you're gonna head over to Apps in the bottom left corner. Then from here, you're gonna search up Animate. Click on this one right here, Image Animate. From here, you can go ahead and adjust the motion range here, as well as the other options here at the bottom, motion length, number of loops. Then you're gonna make sure AI motion is selected. Then hit generate. Now just wait for about 1 to 2 minutes. And once it's done, you'll get a preview here, and after that you can just go ahead and click on add to design. Now resize it to fit the page, but first you want to delete the original image. And yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, the image is not animating at all. It is just loading, but you just have to give it a little time and it'll load. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.